Hey everyone, I hope that you guys are doing great today. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing some fragrances with you guys. I have been feeling a little nostalgic with just like those cozy scents in the middle of winter when it's like snowy outside. Last year when I was in Kentucky, I would just shower, put on this very cozy warm fragrance that felt like a hug, that felt cozy. You just wanted to just lay around and watch movies all day while you're wearing it. I'm gonna talk about those scents, even if some of them might not be working for me right now because I am living in Arizona. Very different, but I do have some scents here that I'm going to share that I used to just reach for because I know that many of you guys do have a very nice winter season. So I'm going to share some cozy scents. There is like sexy cozy, there's playful cozy. So if you are interested, we are going to jump right in. On my lips today, I am wearing the NYX lip stain, like the lip liner stain. Is it Up to No Good or something like that? I will put the name of it on the screen. And then I topped it off with Patrick Ta lip balm in the shade Cookie Butter. It smells so good and the shade is beautiful. So let's go ahead and let's get into the fragrances that I think are super cozy and just perfect for right before spring when it's still cold and we're just cuddling at home watching movies and all of that. I am going to start off with a fragrance mist, and this is for vanilla lovers. I unfortunately have not been reaching for it a lot because vanillas have been tricky for me lately ever since I moved. But here we have Fleur Vanilla Skin, and I would also recommend the Vanilla Skin perfume if you'd rather get the perfume longer performance. I kept the mist because those scents here are a little bit more tricky. I figured the mist would be a little bit easier to wear here. This is like a smoky, woody, sensual vanilla. And then there's like this hint of sugary sweetness in there. It's a little bit. It's not too much. It's not too sweet or juvenile at all. And it's just definitely a woody vanilla that just feels a little sweet, a little sensual, warm. Very great for this time of the year. Up next, we have an almondy one. If you want to smell like a powdery almond cookie, it's a little spicy, but it's a very, very small amount of spice. Perfect for movie nights, perfect for lounging around, for doing anything day to day during the winter. It is just so beautiful. This is Prada Infusion Diamond. This is a favorite for wintertime for me. You do have to like almond and you do have to like nutty powdery scents because it's definitely that. To me, this just reminds me of being somewhere where you just feel very comfortable because it's just so calm, smooth, powdery, light, but still last forever. It's just more like a personal scent. It's not going to fill in the room, but it's going to give you just the perfect sweet scent. If someone hugs you and they smell this, it's like a blanket. Like you just want to cuddle that. It's a very beautiful, cozy, almondy, nutty scent. I love it. I don't wear it as much here, but I definitely miss wearing this one a lot. Up next, I have some Kayali fragrances. I have two of them. So this one is in the mini size because they did not release it in a full size, but this is the Freedom Musk Latte scent. This reminds me a lot of Replica's Coffee Break. If you have been watching my channel for a while, that was one that I loved with lavender, and I think it had coffee and milk. This I like to wear like if I'm going to just be reading a book or reading on products or doing research on products, which is what I like to do at the end of my night if I'm not watching a show or something. It does come off a little bit strong when you first spray it, but it quickly just again gets warm, and there are notes in here that make it a little bit sexy as well and just very intriguing but cozy and just perfect to lounge around during winter time. Just imagine chocolatey, powdery, yet there's also this coffee bitterness to it that grounds the fragrance. The lavender gives it a little bit of like an aromatic touch, but the lavender doesn't really take over the scent in my opinion. But yeah, very chocolatey and perfect for this time of the year. Now this next one, do not let it fool you. This can come off in the opening as super sweet, super juvenile even to some people, but when this dries down after letting this bottle sit for a while, it blew my mind. And this is Kayali Yum Bougie Marshmallow. So this one is definitely more for those of you who prefer sweet and fruity and not so deep and sexy and all of that. This one is great for that. Not super deep, not super mysterious or nothing like that. This one's perfect. It has like a little bit of a playful side to it. When you first spray it, it is like this flirty, just playful strawberry that has like icing on top, and it's just smooth and creamy and just flirty. But then as it sits on your skin, as you can see, I don't have too much left, and the juice is definitely turning into like ambery color. and it just lasts forever now. And here, I don't know if it's here or I don't know if it's because it's been sitting for a long time, but those base notes come through, and there's like that vanilla is just so beautiful and sugary mixed in with that sugar. There's whipped cream. Such a beautiful perfume. The opening is super playful. There's strawberry, there's coconut, there's marshmallow, but definitely the dry down is my favorite part, where it just gets creamy, fluffy, sweet, and very, very inviting. And the vanilla definitely comes through more, but I can do the vanilla here because it's not too much. Next up, we have Kilian's Princess. This is for those of you who like a more earthy scent, but you still want sweet and you still want fluffy and powdery. You still want it to smell feminine. This is the one. This perfume is so unique. Sometimes it smells fluffy to me. Sometimes I get more of the tea. Sometimes I get more of, I don't even remember what other note. Oh, ginger. Yes, the ginger is very strong in this one. Now that I have had this one for a bit, but it's just, it translates as like a very fresh, zingy type of scent. And then the marshmallow sweetens it up and the tea just grounds the fragrance down, and it just turns into like this powder balm that's just perfect for this time of the year again, and just perfect for every day or lounging around. Very cozy. Another super cozy scent that I thought was not gonna work for me here, and surprisingly I really did like it. I didn't do a huge dent, but it did get a good amount of use. This is from Ellis Brooklyn. This is Queen's Caramel. This has been the best version of this type of perfume that I have tried. Many that smell like this, like Bianco Latte for example, there's always something that I'm kind of missing from those, and Ellis Brooklyn just knows how to fill in those little gaps. So they added, I think it's either maple leaf to this, and then the base notes, I feel like they're more interesting. It's a little more woody, it's warm, it's inviting, it's perfect for winter. Super cozy and warm and caramel. The caramel is coming through so beautifully in here now. It's kind of like the caramel that you drizzle on top of coffee. So there is a sweetness, but there's a very warm, almost a little bit of spiciness is in there too. Very unique scent, and it is a really nice one to have in a collection if you're looking for a cozy winter scent. Up next, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more dainty, a little bit more girly, but still perfect, still a little cozy, I would say this one, when it dries down, is when I feel more cozy. At first it feels a little more bright. This is the Seven Virtues Amber Vanilla. When you first spray this one, I do get like a slight brightness for a little bit before I start getting like that sugary second skin musky vibe. Yeah, so when it first opens up, it's very much like Glossier You. It's bright, so it's nice for like daytime, but then when that starts to dry down and mix with your skin, that's where I feel like it gets a little cozy. It's not as cozy as all these other ones, but I wanted to include it for maybe someone who lives like somewhere like me, that it's a little warm and it's hard to get away with like super cozy scent. This one's perfect for like hot weather, because you will get kind of like a cozy, sweet, sugary vibe, but it's not going to be thick or cloying or just take over and ruin your day. Another one that works here for me is Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere. This to me is like the queen of cozy fragrances. It's kind of like going to bed and smelling like brown sugar, vanilla. There's even coconut in here, and I'm a huge coconut girl. This does not smell like coconut, but just I feel like it maybe softens and rounds out the fragrance a little bit. It's a little woody, it's vanilla, it has a little bit of sweetness to it, but not too much. So if you're someone that cannot stand like super sweet scents, this is a nice one to look into because it is mixed with woody touches in there. Another one that's similar to that one, people are a little bit more picky with this one, so just a little warning. This is MAC Creme de Nude. I've been raving about this for years. Works for some people, definitely doesn't work for others, but it's so cozy to me, and it's very unique as well. There's even like a suede note in here. It's perfect for like daytime. I should have worn this to ride horses the day of my birthday, but I didn't wear no perfume because I didn't want to bother the horsey's nose. But if I just, this makes me think of that for some reason. Just like a cozy, like you're wearing like this nice sweater or something and you're horseback riding into the sunset in the desert, and you smell cozy, but in that type of way, and unique as well. Last but not least, this is one that I've raved about also for a few years now. This is Van Cleef and Arpels, and this is Bois d'Or or Bois d'Ore. You guys always try to help me, and I feel like I just never get it. But this right here is a smoky almondy scent, super freaking cozy. The queen of coziness, in my opinion. Oh, this is like, it's so walk. I love to watch movies wearing this for some reason because I'm just like sniffing myself the whole time while I'm just super relaxed. This definitely, I feel like, could be unisex. It does have a little bit of like a unisex vibe to it, but as it sits on my skin, it definitely gets a little bit sweeter, but it's more of like a smoky, nutty, almondy scent. There's tobacco in here as well. It's just a realistic sweet scent, almost like a little shot of amaretto. That's kind of, it just makes me think of that for some reason. Very cozy, very warm, nutty, almondy, smooth, powdery. These are all a vibe, and I just love how cozy and perfect for winter they are. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's quick video. Comment down below which one is your favorite from the ones that I mentioned today. Let me know why you like it or why it doesn't work for you. I love to talk about everything in the comment section. And with that said, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Keep my conscience clear, that's why I'm so magnetic.